My name is Amanda Falk, and I'm from Gurnee, Illinois. I'm currently a senior at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, studying dietetics with a minor in Spanish. One of the many times I've taken initiative is this past summer at the Gurnee Park District's Aquatic Center. I'm currently the customer care coordinator there, and one of my roles is to coach and develop a confident staff through training sessions, weekly updates, things like that, and we value effective and thorough training very highly at the Park District. So I took the initiative to develop a more structured and uniformed training program, which included updated policy and procedure manuals with pictures and diagrams, handouts of frequently asked questions, interactive workshops, worksheets on food safety, and things like that. I strive to create an environment for my staff that fosters confidence and success, and to give them all the necessary resources to do their job to the best of their ability. The results from my efforts were phenomenal, and they increased sales 3.3% net in the cafe, and customer satisfaction increased from 95 to 98%, which was awesome. Having to build rapport is also very important in a workplace with peers, colleagues, etc. And one of the times that I did so was last fall of 2015. I was a student in Quantity Foods Production and Service, which is Fission 340 at the university here. The instructor, Alana Ola, creates a very inviting atmosphere. She's very personable and has a very interactive teaching style, and it fosters engagement and excitement in the class. I routinely sought her out for help with projects, assignments, just to talk about various lecture topics since I was so interested in the assignments and things like that. And based on my performance and the relationship that I had built with Alana, I was recruited and hand-selected to become a learning assistant for the course, which I am still in this role today. This is my third semester as a learning assistant, and Alana and I still maintain a very close professional friendship, and we enjoy working with each other. The characteristics that led me to apply to the Aramark Dietetic Internship, first and foremost, was the concentration. The emerging trends in dietetics was really intriguing to me, and I think it really speaks to the level of education I'm going to be getting. Dietetics is a field that is constantly evolving, and I think as healthcare professionals it's really important that we are well equipped to make those changes and to adapt to new ways of doing things to give our patients the best care possible. In addition, I think it's great that Aramark hopes to develop teamwork, leadership, and critical thinking, all of which I exemplify in my everyday work. For example, like I mentioned, I work at the Gurnee Park District, and I took the initiative to add 3 healthy items to the cafe's menu. I created a costing analysis proposal with vendors and things like that. I got approved, and then from there I worked very closely with my staff and supervisors to implement training and make sure that they had all the necessary tools to make these products a success, and they were. They generated an incremental revenue of $1,000. That being said, leadership would be one of my greatest professional strengths. I have developed this skill through many roles, whether it be being a manager or a coordinator or a learning assistant. These skills have really been honed in on over the past several years, and I think I have very effective leadership skills. And like I mentioned, I was invited to become a learning assistant, and I lead and supervise a group of 8 students to successfully serve lunch to 200 guests during lunch service at Bevier Cafe. I ensure proper food safety, make sure production numbers are being met, and while in the kitchen, I really like to provide coaching moments to give praise for things that I see that they're doing good. For example, if they have really fast ticket times and they're getting the meals out to our customers very quickly, I think that's a great opportunity to give them praise and positive feedback to keep up those great tasks. On the other hand, while managing the Gurnee Park District's Aquatic Center, there are times where employees call me over for help diffusing tricky situations. And instead of fixing it myself, I like to give them the tools and walk them through the thought process to be able to fix it on their own. And so from there on out, they are more equipped to handling those situations. When deciding which Aramark location to select, I chose the Chicago location largely due to my previous experience at Vista Health Systems in Waukegan, Illinois. I've been a volunteer there since May 2014, and I've had the opportunity to work with Debbie Regner, who's the clinical nutrition manager, Kelly Apfel, Skylar Cordell, and many of their other dietitians, as well as food service staff members. it has been a really great experience. I've gotten to sit in on workshops and seminars, and I've really built a great reputation and working relationships with all of them, and I think it would be great to continue my journey to being a dietitian with them, as well as many of the other staff members on the Aramark network. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Thank you.